In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get more research points in War Thunder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you various different tips for you to acquire a lot of research points in War Thunder, allowing you to unlock more vehicles and progress through the game. So, the most important thing by far is to play consistently. Of course, the more you play, the more RP you will earn. This is no secret, but it's important to not play too much until you bore yourself out. So make sure that you are having consistent, fun play sessions. And always focus on the objectives. Complete objectives like capturing points, destroying key targets, or assisting teammates. These actions often reward significant RP, so playing correctly towards the objective is always going to be the best. You can also consider a premium account. Of course, you will have to pay, but if you are interested in War Thunder, this is a good consideration to make. Activate boosters if you have those before battle, and make sure that you are really focused. When you activate a booster, you will be able to significantly increase your RP and SL gains. You can consider playing realistic battles because they might often offer higher RP rewards compared to arcade, and you should choose vehicles with high RP multipliers. Premium vehicles and vehicles with talismans often will offer significant RP boosts. It is important to master your vehicle's strengths and weaknesses. If you are able to learn a specific vehicle well, you might be able to get better scores and, in turn, more RP playing that one. So try to master as many vehicles as you can without spreading yourself too thin across all of the selection. And of course, consider joining a squad. Playing with friends or other experienced players will significantly increase your chances of winning and thus earn more RP. I hope I was able to help you on how to get more research points in War Thunder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.